Guys, welcome back to my Julia tutorial. I know in the last video I promised you to show you the special operations you can do with strings, but for now I would like to postpone it a bit because it's a bit more specific. So far we mainly learned all this calculation and working with numbers in Julia and really basic commands like print line and double quotations. So I thought it would be nice to have a short exercise with it. And first section of this exercise is what will happen. In this what will happen, you have here just some instructions you can try out and see what will happen. If you get an error, if it works as you expected it, or it works completely different. And especially in the beginning, this is very important just to get used to the language, to understand the language. Also, if there are things you expected different. And then in the second section, here's some calculation you can solve with the functions or the operations we discussed so far. And it's mainly only three sections. The first one is how many seconds are there in 13 minutes and 13 seconds. So it means you have a mixed term out of minutes and seconds and you have to transfer them in only seconds. Then we have here 10 kilometers and you should calculate how many miles are in this or how many miles are this. Here, for that you don't have to Google it, 1 mile is 1.61 kilometers. Third is a bit more complex. So there is, if you run 10 kilometers in 33 minutes and 14 seconds, what is then your average time per mile in minutes and seconds? And then also here, there's a typo. What is your average speed in miles per hour? And I would just say to you, you stop the video here now or zoom back to here the instructions, here the first one, and then here the calculation. And stop at the position and try to solve it by your own. And then tomorrow I will upload or will do the solution with you together. So until then, see you guys. Subscribe my channel that you don't miss the solution tomorrow, and see you. Bye.